Okay guys, in a bowl, add 4 egg yolks. So this is 4th egg yolks already. So they have 3 already in a bowl. Okay. So 4 egg yolks. And then next is 6 tablespoons cooking oil or corn oil. But I used vegetable oil. So it's up to you what kind of oil you're using. Okay. Okay, the next is add 6 tablespoons water. Okay, and then we're gonna add on 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is gonna give a whisk until it's all combined. And then guys, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4. Okay. And then 1 teaspoon salt. And then give a whisk again until it's all combined. And then 1/4 cup of sugar. So add gradually while you doing this. While you're doing mix, then you add gradually, slowly, until it's all absorbed and combined. Okay? Okay, and then you can add 1 cup of cake flour. So you can sift it here. Okay. Then you can mix like this. Mix thoroughly until gently to form a batter. But gently, no more lumps, then set aside. Once no more lump, then you can set aside this one. Okay. So okay, it's really smooth and the texture is very good. So this is ready to set aside. Okay, now next procedure is we're gonna make our meringue. Okay. Okay guys, this is 4 egg whites. 4 egg whites. And then 1 teaspoon of icing sugar. So okay, now we're gonna do this with it gently. Sugar. Okay. perfect. So ayan guys, done my soft cake. So it's ready now to mix our other ingredients. Okay, then we can add, then gently fold into the mixture until it's all combined. Okay, just like that. And then you can add the remaining. Okay. Okay guys, here it is. So you need to tap 2 times to release air bubbles. Okay, while we're doing this, we already preheated our oven for 175 Celsius, and then to cook 35 minutes to 40 minutes until it's toothpick test. So when its toothpick is clear, then that's it's cooked. Okay, so we are putting this now in the oven. Okay guys, it's ready. So we're gonna put this in the oven for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay, there you go. Okay, in a clean pan, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 6 large eggs, 6 large egg yolks. Actually, it's egg yolks. Okay, and then 410 grams evaporated milk, and then 1 can condensed milk. And then mix all together until it all combines smoothly and gradually. Okay guys, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, then mix thoroughly. Okay, now we are all set up this. We can put our thing on low flame until it thickens up. So we're gonna ready this to put in the heated stove. Okay, mix and cook on low flame sitting until it thickens up. Okay guys, this is the result. So we're gonna switch off the flame now to make it cool down. exactly like this. Okay. Okay guys, our cake is ready, so we just wait to cool it down. So we're gonna put here for the meantime until it's cooled down, and then we're gonna put our topping. So okay, just like this. Charan. Okay, here's our cake. There you go. That's beautifully cooked. So exactly guys, 40 minutes. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice in half. Okay guys, I just cut in half already, so I just give more 10 minutes to cool it more down. So our filling is ready. Our filling is ready to put it in. So I'm just wait for a bit 10 minutes to cool it down more. So before I put everything in the middle and also to the top. So okay, stay tuned for my channel and keep watching. Thank you. Okay guys, we're gonna put the filling in. Now we just slowly do spread it around here to fill up the middle. Okay, now we're gonna put the half. Okay, just do it there gently. Okay, and then we're gonna put the remaining. Just also decorate the top. next is we're gonna add on our toppings. So we're just gonna sprinkle the cheese around here. Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel, Bojik Bonaventure. Here's my Yema Cheese Cake. The result, guys, is absolutely beautiful. So if you follow the recipes in my video, and you can make this very perfectly in your own home. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please stay connected in my channel. And if you are new, and also if you are already in my channel, welcome back and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you for sharing. Please comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Wow, guys, you must try. As long you got the right ingredients. To be honest with you guys, the cake, the chiffon inside, and also the topping inside in the middle, wow, it's absolutely perfect combination. Honestly guys, it's the best cake. It's beautiful, really beautiful. The chiffon is absolutely very smooth and softly inside in your mouth. Honestly, beautiful. Taste gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Happy watching, happy eating. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.